Hi everybody, good morning from here. It's Star Africa. We are on our way to the EKOM NKAM Waterfall here in I think the village here is EKOM NKAM, yeah. So the waterfall derives its name from the name of the village. Yeah, I mean we are just some few meters from the waterfall itself. It's been a long journey coming through right here, and finally we are making our way right into this awesome location. Going to check it out, and see what it's got to offer. And aside from that, well, I mean, it's the adventure for me. This is what the entrance looks like. I mean, it's cool. And one thing I actually found out here is that people don't use like the normal new electricity we're using in other parts of Cameroon. Like what they have here, I've seen like some solar panels, and that's probably what is giving energy here, like electricity, yeah. So probably they don't rely on every other thing. I feel like electricity here should be something like maybe 24/7, if I'm not mixing words. And right here you could have some like cool moments. You have some seats, like that's one. Oh wow. Hi good people, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing great. It's Star Africa here again. Today we are here in Melong, that is precisely we are in EKOM NKAM. This is the waterfall here in EKOM NKAM. I mean, like, this is one of the top touristic sites in Cameroon, and today we actually came out here to explore and show you what this other side of Cameroon has got to offer. Just to let you know that the movie Tarzan that was shot in 1982 was actually the shots were taken, or the movie was shot in at this particular spot, and today I actually came to show you what this other side has got to offer. So enjoy this film. I mean, it's actually a jungle. Just to let you know that access into the EKOM NKAM waterfall isn't free of charge. If you're coming here as a student, the price is way too low, but then I think that for the price for people who are adults, getting inside you have to pay like 2,000 francs per person, and if you are coming with a camera, with a drone, you're gonna pay much more than this amount. So probably if you're coming with a drone, the amount is 25,000 francs CFA. With a camera, you pay an addition of 10,000 francs. I think I'm not mistaken. And man, you could negotiate this price depending on how you will talk things out with the people concerned, but out of that, I know not much extra than this. Watch this, like I am just so thrilled. I am amazed with what this amazing country Cameroon has got to offer in terms of tourism. The view out here was just on another level. The landscape too was just exceptional. I mean, I just hope you should leave your humble review in the comments section, and don't forget to like this video. Look, there is this one thing I want to tell you. If you don't get money, no pass for the place. Like seriously, you don't have money, don't come here. If you have your 25k and then you want to bring your camera, your drone and every other thing, don't even try. Don't dare. Because you will not do anything, to be sincere. So when coming here, you need to be well packaged. Like well packaged. That's the ideal thing. That's one of the things I actually noticed here. Now we are going to the other side here. I'm going to carry the bag then let it. Yes. There's another small waterfall here. We got this. It's never been this easy, but right now I am taking you down to actually show you what this waterfall has got to offer. Like it's gonna be an amazing view, so just come with me. We're gonna see what this other side has got. One other thing I should be saying here is the fact that maximum visit hour here is 1 hour, but then I just think that we were fortunate the day we got here because we had to spend more than an hour. We had to spend more than 3 hours in this place. Reason why we could take all the best shots in the world we could take, but then the sun was not on our side for the drone shots. I mean, this was insane, but then I think that we did the best we could, and these are the shots you
that dance goes still.
That is the question. You know what? While coming here, I actually had in mind that I was coming to just see like one waterfall. But reaching down here, I am actually amazed because I am seeing like 2 other waterfalls, smaller ones here. I feel like that should be the mother waterfall, and then the twin waterfall here, which makes it 3 waterfalls in this particular area. I mean, how amazing is that? Drop a comment, leave a like, and please consider subscribing here, because this is just the beginning of traveling across Cameroon. You're gonna be amazed to see what this amazing country has got to offer. People who visited this waterfall actually came probably with a tour company, and I mean, this day we just left the 2 of us, Elstar Africa and Block City. Probably he's going to be uploading a version of his own trip here on his channel, so the link to his channel is going to be in the description box. You just need to go check it out, go subscribe. I mean, like, that guy is doing amazing stuffs. And man, like the whole of the day, I think that only the 2 of us spent the whole day here. If you want to visit here, I would advise you go very early in the morning, as we did. Like before 8 a.m. we were already here, especially because this is the rainy seasons. If you're coming here late, then I'm sorry for you. Probably you'll be caught here by the rains and you'll be forced to probably sleep, because getting a bike or the car and move to your destination, as simple as that. cannot actually believe that I am standing where the movie Tarzan was acted. Like, man, it sounds so awesome. Like, I feel like I feel great, I feel awesome, I feel amazed, I feel like I fulfilled a great mission.
Well, Asha.
One thing is certain, before coming here, you need to eat. I mean, like, eat healthy, eat very well before even thinking of coming to this particular place. And the second thing is, fill your pocket well with cash before coming here. I mean, it is cool, like you are coming to enjoy nature, you're coming to see many amazing things, probably that you have been away from them for quite a while, for people that were, or for people who have grown up in the village. But for people who were born in the town, in the city, I mean, you just need to come here, have a cool moment, and you're gonna enjoy every single moment you will be spending in this particular spot. I mean, we're still on the adventure together. I hope you've subscribed to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing, and do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment of what you think. It's Elstar Africa here.
Huh? You must talk. Say something.
And I feel like I'm looking like one old father in the village. Oh, this particular one. It's making me feel again that those cool moments I spent in the village, and I don't know, for those of you who did not grow up in the village. Now you sabi, as I earlier said, money is the key here. If you don't come with money, I'm sorry for you. Except that you're just coming to take pictures with your phone, and I mean, but of what essence is that? Except that you're coming for a picnic.
All
but
right.
then, money.
See, your subscribers want to know the name of your pullover. What
Hey.
you have on?
I don't even know what I'm putting on, but it looks like a tiger skin, huh? Something like that. I think I'm right. Yeah.
Yeah.
A tiger skin.
Okay, tiger skin.
Yeah.
George of the Jungle.
George of the
Maybe so.
jungle.
Oh. Okay, Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Wait, hold on. There's something in that bush.
Huh?
There's something in the bush. Something in that bush.
What's that something?
Something in that bush.
What I'll tell anyone who is watching this video right now is this: if you're traveling, like, look for the right company to travel with. I mean, when I say right company, I mean look for the right person that you'll be going with. Not probably because they will film for you the best video, or not probably because they will take you the best shots in the world. No, you know, when you're traveling, I mean, it's not just about the traveling. I mean, you also as well have fun. Like, this guy was fun, and I mean, everything we just did was on point. Like, I loved every single moment we spent in this place. I was just so amazed with everything. I was so happy, and I hope you've been liking the video. Like,
Yeah, everybody, like, I am standing right now on top of the waterfall itself. I mean, how amazing is this? Like, just look at this view and tell me what you think about everything that is happening out here. I mean, like, I am just so filled with joy. I am amazed that I actually had the opportunity to make it right up to this extent. I am so like amazed. Like, the view out here is just on another level. It's so amazing. It is awesome. I don't know what you think about this view. Like, bro, if you never like my video, this is the time for you to like the video. This is the time for you to consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, and please do leave a comment. Like, I have much more amazing content coming your way from on this channel. So I mean, don't just pass by, because there is much more to enjoy here from Cameroon, and probably Africa will be coming soon. So what are you waiting for? Like, we are putting Cameroon on the map. We'll be going places with this channel, and it's just all about showing you the amazing stuff that Cameroon has got to offer. Like, Elstar Africa is all about Africa, it's all about Cameroon, it's all about showing you the good side of this country, the good stuff we've got here, and the list is so long.